everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change leverage on Exness app. The first thing you do is open up your Exness app, and then the next thing you do is make sure you're on the account. This is the account I want to change this way. So this is the account I want to change this leverage. Next thing I'm going to tap on details, and then you can see my leverage right now is 1:2000. Tap on settings, and you can see over here standard account, telling me about the settings for this particular account. You can see your maximum leverage. Tap on maximum leverage, and then you choose the one you want. So make sure you're sure of the one you want, and you tap on OK. You can see the risk level here: high for the red, medium for the yellow, and green is low. So choose the one you want, and once you're done, you tap on OK. Then you go back. Now if you don't want this, you can also custom leverage yours by choosing the one you want, putting it in yourself, and saving the changes. So it's as simple as that.